Okay, I've got all of our names cut out and written down here. So I'm going to fold them up and then we will have hubby come in and pull a name. I let this brew throughout the weekend. I didn't put up any other videos. So I need to get some videos done and put out there. I'm going to do some blackberry syrup, a haul, and some other stuff. So I will see you when we were pulling these out. Okay, everybody, he's gonna fish one out here. Donna Hatch. So, Donna, if you could send me an email, I will put, he didn't say a word. He just came in, took one out, and walked away. Anyways, Donna, if you could send me an email, I will put my email underneath your I'm in comment in the video, and we will be in contact, and I will send you your cookbook, and I'm on it if you could send me an email as well. So I will see you all soon in the next video. Congratulations, and we will get this cookbook out to you as soon as we know where to you is. So you all have a great day. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and it's cooled down, so enjoy the cooler weather. And I will see you in the next video.